If you think that making money in 2026 is scammy or oversaturated, or you might be too late in the game, let me tell you something, you are wrong, okay? This year alone in 2025, I made more money online than I actually imagine. I'm nobody. I don't have tens of thousands of followers. I don't have thousands and thousands of subscribers here on YouTube. But what I have is and are the systems in the background that allow me to work with customers online, that allow me to sell my digital products, that allow me to find clients, find projects that I can get involved. Some of them are passive, so this is where online passive income comes, and some of them are active, where I'm still trading time for money. So in this video, I'm going to show you different ways how I am making my money, how you can start making money, and probably give you and hopefully give you some ideas on how you can start making money online in 2026, even if you don't have tens of thousands of followers, even if you are nobody like me, okay, no offense, meaning like you are no influencer, you are no celebrity, you are no next Alex Hormozy, like you are just normal folk, normal person who wants to maybe clear out the debt, buy some nice clothes from the money, or travel more. This is something extremely important to me. I love traveling and I love working just with my laptop by the beach, in the mountains, in a car, anywhere in the world. So if you wanna travel more, spend more time with your family, pay off your debts, buy a nicer car, or do some house repairs or whatever, watch this video because I'm gonna show you some examples and give you tips and ideas how you can start making money online. If you haven't met me before, my name is Karina and I'm owner of Shimi Digital, tech and digital agency, even though all the freelancers I work, basically all the people I work with are freelancers. I work online. I started in pandemic. I'm still doing web design for the customers, but my main stream of income are digital products, and I'm teaching people like me, people like you, how you can start with digital marketing, with digital products the right way. If you want to get rich quick, you can start watching this video, because everything in life, everything worth having, obviously is taking time, and that comes with the marketing, that comes with selling online courses, with affiliate marketing, any sort of online income. But if you want to learn more, if you are keen to make more money in 2026, make money online in 2026, then definitely keep watching this video. Number one, how I made my money in 2025. I'm a web designer by nature, and I still doing website, I still offering websites to my customers around the world, not just here where I'm based in the UK, but around the world. I had some exciting projects here in the UK, Canada, Australia, America, and Slovakia as well, where I'm from. So I'm originally from Slovakia, so I can speak Slovakian language, so I can offer my services in other country as well. So this is active, means I am trading time versus money, but I love doing it, brings great income, and it gives me the freedom that I can literally work from anywhere as long as there is internet. So with this I want to say, if you have any sort of knowledge, you can start selling this knowledge, okay? It doesn't have to be like myself with the web design. It can be anything. I had customers who is a hairdresser. She's very good at what she's doing, what she does. And she specializes in like curly hair and stuff. So we are actually creating online course that she can be selling all around the world to her customers, how to look after her curly hair, how her customers can look after their curly hair, what products to use, how to wash the hair properly, brush, what products to use, and stuff like that. So she doesn't have to be just limited in her salon. She can expand her knowledge online and sell this product multiple times, sell this course multiple times everywhere, which is creating a passive income. You created it once and you're selling it multiple times. There is no shipping, there is no packaging. This is the power of digital products, digital courses. So think about what you are good at, what you are enjoying, what people come to you for advice, what they are asking you, and it can be really anything. Like the best part 2026 that you can actually sell anything, as long as it's helping people with their problems. And trust me, we have lots of problems. You can make money from it. You don't have to create necessarily a course. You can create a PDF guide, you can create some sort of template, it can be a checklist, a toolkit, an ebook, things like that. So knowledge is power, okay? And you can start selling your knowledge passively, so creating these products, or actively selling your knowledge to customers based on, like me with the websites. You can be doing it with mentorship, consultations, or coaching. The second stream of my income is affiliate marketing. If you haven't heard of affiliate marketing or you're not sure what it is, basically you are using tools. Let's say you are using, I don't know, like I do subscriptions for email marketing or software for photo editing, like Photoshop, for example, yeah? When I recommend this software to my customers and they sign up using the special link, so you always have to have the special link, when they use that, using that link, I get commission. It doesn't cost them extra, but I get commission because I am recommending it. So my second stream of income obviously is affiliate marketing, and I'm only offering the tools I try myself, tools I'm using myself, and tools, software that I absolutely trust and can recommend and been only using. And trust me when I say I tried all of them, I tried most of them, and I'm still learning. Now I'm learning all about the AI and stuff, which is going to be more training as well. But like I said, I only recommend the tools and the services and the software that I am using in my business and I'm using for my customers. And more about like the system IO and stuff about affiliate is also in the description below the video if you want to find out about software I'm using and I can recommend, or products I can recommend. So affiliate marketing, again, it doesn't have to cost you anything. If you're having favorite product, or if you're having favorite software, there might be chances that they are offering affiliate options, and you can sign up, like Amazon, for example, and you can be earning money from affiliate marketing. Again, it's not a quick rich scheme. None of these are quick rich schemes. It takes time to set it up, it takes time to promote it, but once you put the work to it, it's definitely worth it. Now, I also do marketing on site, so I'm not just the digital marketing, PDFs, booklets, but I also offer different types of marketing services. I've been in the marketing for a very long time. I love marketing, I love websites, I love marketing. So I'm offering different types of services. And that's not necessarily just online. I also do videography, video editing, content creation, social media management, which is online. Like you don't have to be physically presented anywhere. As long as you have laptop or phone and you know how to use social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you can focus on social media management for the companies, and this is easily £1,000, $1,000 plus a month per client, as long as you know what you are doing. So social media management, graphic design, again, packaging, graphic design for social media, graphic design for flyers, graphic design for banners for the website, price lists, business cards. And this is online again because I can have the consultation with the customer via Zoom. I don't have to be physically presented anywhere, just in my little cute office. Have the call via Zoom and offer the graphic design services. Again, I have lots of customers for the graphic design all around the world. So this is my another stream of income. This is something you can also look into it if you are good with graphic design, if you know how to use Canva. Canva is amazing. Definitely learn Canva. If you want to get into online business and making money online, definitely learn Canva. If you're not sure, I am offering a Canva workshop for $19, $19. It's below the video. You can buy it. It's there where I talk you through ever think how to learn Canva, what's the difference between Pro and the free version, how to design simple flyers, how to design simple social media banners and stuff like that. So everything is below. Definitely learn Canva, is amazing tool. And then the other ways you can also earn money is, you probably heard of, is UGC content. I don't do the UGC content. Is basically you are creating content for companies. So it's not something, it's different posting on your social media. This is something you create content and you give those videos, images, content to the companies who will pay you for it. So let's say I buy, I don't know, let's say this mouse on Amazon, or someone or a company wants me to promote this mouse, for example. I create a couple of videos, add some descriptions, and I give it to company, so they pay me for that. So that's UGC content, extremely popular. I don't do it myself. I don't have the patience for that. I don't want to be on the videos doing whatever, you know, like I like doing these educational videos, talking heads videos, and how-to videos, how-to tutorials. So that's my expertise, okay? And don't be scared. One thing I want to say is don't be scared of trying, okay? Like when I started, when the pandemic happened, I only started because I was very bored. I couldn't travel, I couldn't do things. And when I first started, and now it's completely different. I learned a lot, and everything we're doing in life is a learning curve, okay? Nothing has to be perfect. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. Just start, okay? Just start creating content. Just start playing with the idea how you can make money online. Just start creating the PDFs, the booklets, flyers, learn about Canva, or think about, obviously, if you're not going down the virtual assistant route or social media management, but maybe the online courses, like what you are good at. If you have like if you're a hairdresser, if you're doing I don't know, nails, nail artisan, you can be having online courses on how, for people who have for people who have salons, and you can teach them like different techniques, and or for moms who don't have time, for example, to look after their nails, you can have courses, videos, booklets, ebooks about how to look after your nails, how to grow your nails faster, how to look after them if you are, I don't know, if you are a climber, and things like that. So think about outside of box. Comment below. I would love to know your ideas. I would love to know what you're thinking about, how you would like to start a business, what is the idea. And one thing definitely try is ChatGPT. You leverage ChatGPT to also give you ideas. You can just go and type basic, hey, I am expert, or I have this store, or I'm doing this, or my friends come to me for this advice. I would like to make this into a paid product. I would like to have it as a paid digital product. Please give me some ideas I can do, okay? And ChatGPT will give you lots of options that you can do. So it might actually even feel overwhelming. Just think about outside of box. Trust me when I say making money in 2026 is actually simpler than you think, because we are constantly sold to. Everywhere you look, Facebook where you go, social media, Instagram, shops, walking down the street, everywhere you go, we are constantly sold. And this is the most amount we are being sold than ever been, okay, in history, and it's getting more and more and more. My last piece of advice is don't think like you have to do everything, okay? Pick one product, pick one problem that you can bring the solution to, okay? And pick one platform. You don't have to be on all social media. You don't have to open YouTube account. You don't have to open Pinterest account. You don't have to have a Facebook page, okay? Just pick one problem, one product, and one platform for that online income stream. If you want to learn more how to create your first digital product or start earning money online, build income that makes sense in long term, check all the links below. I have Zero to Hero Profit workbook that comes with the PLR, which means you can actually sell it. So if you don't have a product of your own, you can buy it. It's only $17. You get lots of bonuses with it, and I actually teach you how you can start making money online in 4 weeks time. Okay, so we look at audience, branding, social media, what software to use, with lots of different bonuses like profitable digital ideas, product ideas, and stuff like that. So everything you need to start is below this video. If you found this video useful, you can subscribe, you get notified about when I've released another new video. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and I will be more than happy to see where is your next venture and how it goes, and wishing you good luck, and see you next week.